Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something every 3D artist or animator can relate to: render times. Whether you're working on a big project or just experimenting, long render times can really slow you down. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the best tips and techniques to significantly reduce render times in Blender without sacrificing quality. Let's speed up your workflow and get those results faster. Set up scene and camera. Now we check with default setting of Blender. How much time will it take to render an image? Fast forwarding the process because it's going to take some time. Almost 20 minutes. Let's save the image for later. Now let's change the settings for reducing the render time. You'll see the detail setting at the last of the video. Just the simple setting can bring the time down by 90%. Let's see how much time we got here. As we can see, last time we got 19 minutes and 40 seconds. Nice! Only 1 minute. Saving image for comparison. Let's compare both image with their settings. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe this channel for more content. All-axis animation.